Coming up in this video, we're going to be doing a room tour at the Hilton Garden Inn. Let's go. Alright everyone, my name is Jarrett-Jamal Davis with Jarrett-Jamal-Davis.com, and on this channel I create videos on a weekly basis with tips and strategies to help you create an income online so you can live the lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. Now today we're going to be doing something different. So for all of my returning subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And for all of my new subscribers, listen, if you like room tours and things of that nature for different hotel stays, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because that's what you're going to be getting today. So let me go ahead and start showing you what my room actually looks like and the features here at the Hilton Garden Inn. So when you first come into the room, actually, you're going to be met with this beautiful, beautiful wood grain floor, and I love how they do it. You can actually see the light bouncing off of there. I mean, it's super glossy, super beautiful. As you can see right here, we're going to start right here at the closet. So as you can see, I'm traveling. Got my standard suitcase here and my travel bag. You can see they can all fit in there pretty good. They actually have our ironing board right there. We got the iron right here. And as you can see, if you need any more storage space up here at the top, you got a lot of space up there. So as I come back out of here, you're gonna see right here to the right is the refrigerator, and I'll go ahead and open up that refrigerator. As you can see, it's pretty standard size refrigerator. You can fit your water bottles and cold drinks and things of that nature. If you got some food you want to place up in here, there's definitely enough storage space up in there. Over here to the left, we got a few cabinets if you want to store a couple of things in there. A few tray right here. You want to put a few things, maybe your cards or your keys, so you won't lose those. And what I love about these Hilton hotels is the fact that, as you can see, for all of my coffee lovers, they got the Keurig machine and a few things left in there if you want to go ahead and make you a nice cup of coffee. Also, we got the cups here, and of course you're going to have your ice bucket here. Pretty standard microwave right here. Nothing really to say too much about that, but hey, if you got some food you need to heat up, got a nice microwave right there. And we're gonna turn over here behind me. They have this beautiful mirror right here. So as you can see, beautiful full body mirror, very clean. They did an amazing job cleaning this room today. So let's take a step into the bathroom. I can tell you, like I said, the first thing you're hit with this wood grain floor, but it goes right into this tile, and it is immaculate. And listen, guys, I did not leave that toilet up. I'm just getting in this room. They have freshly cleaned everything, and it is immaculate in here. But look at that backsplash of that wall. Like they really paid great attention to detail in here, and I'm telling you, it shows with the countertops and things of that nature. Everything is glossy, it's clean. They did an amazing job. You can see they're using the Neutrogena products right here. If you forgot a couple of things, they got you covered right here. The makeup remover, they got the hand towels pretty nicely set right there. As you can see, everything is all shiny and new, and like I said, did a great job cleaning this room. You can see this beautiful mirror up here. It's pretty clean. I love the bezels and everything. All of the light fixtures and everything. They really did an amazing job with this room. So as I turn over here to the shower, as you can see with these type of rooms, you actually have these beautiful stand-in, step-in showers. And if you're looking for a tub or something like that, and you're traveling with your family, you're definitely going to want to tell them that when you're down there. But I am single. I'm traveling alone, so this is gonna work out pretty good for me. As you can see, the towels are up there. Everything is pretty clean. Everything is looking really good. So like I say, man, they did an amazing job with this room. And again, like I said, one of the best features, I am loving this back wall here. So as we come out of the bathroom, another thing, just going back to the floor that I love, is the fact that this carpet here is wrapped around the bed. I don't know if you're like me, you know, sometimes we forget our slippers, we're ready to hop out of the bed, and you don't have your slippers, and you don't want to always just jump right on that cold floor. So I love the fact that they actually put this carpet going right around that bed. So it doesn't matter whether you get off the left side or the right side, you'll have that. Now, another thing that I can appreciate about these hotels is this lamp. Because, of course, yes, standard light, beautiful. But listen, when you're traveling, you have to have these plugs, because you have all of these different devices that you're trying to keep charged. Of course, you can see the USB on the side here. And listen, even on the alarm clock, they still have more plugs, more USBs, because whatever devices you have and you need to get charged, they got you covered. Again, I'm loving this bed. I'm loving the backsplash, the wood grain of this bed as that camera focuses in on that. Look at that. That's just immaculate. And I'm telling you, listen, don't get me wrong. Look, I'm all over the bed. Listen, I sleep pretty crazy. So listen, the fact that we have this immaculate, huge, nice, plush bed, listen, I'm telling you, this is such an amazing hotel. Now over here on this side, of course, we have the standard phone. And again, we have another lamp, all of the plugs that you need to charge any of your devices. Even if you forgot to plug, again, like I say, you have that USB. Now over here in the corner, it's a pretty standard chair, comfortable. You got you a footrest right here. You have a table to the side if you need to put anything on side of the table. And right over here in the business section, you have a nice wood grain table here. I love how they have this chair here. These type of chairs are super comfortable. If you need to sit here for a couple of hours, you know, you're doing your work, maybe you have some meetings to take care of, this chair will have your back. Now again, they continue over here, right here, and I love this. Like I said, you have the charger here, you have the USBs right on top, and again, I'm telling you, you need these type of things. It's such a great attention to detail that they did with this hotel. Now, I am a Hilton Honors member, so when I came in, they actually gave me those 2 bottles of water, and I truly appreciate that, because after a long day, listen, you're thirsty and you don't want to have to go around looking and searching and buying bottles of water, so I appreciate that. Now, from here, you're actually going to see this is the guest directory. So if you're looking for more information, that'll be inside of there when it comes to the Hilton Garden Inn. And another thing that I actually love is the fact that at the front desk, they actually gave me this list of nearby restaurants. Now, don't get me wrong, downstairs, they have food and things of that nature, but she said, hey, listen, if you're looking for restaurants that are in walking distance, doesn't matter if you are looking for breakfast, coffee, lunch and dinner, we got you covered. And as you can see, not only do they have the restaurant names, they actually let you know how far they are, what is the address, you can call them, even the hours of operation. So listen, that's just another amazing attention to detail. Like I just truly love that. So again, I'm just going to give you a quick wrap around of the room. Again, I'm going to start back up here because, like I said, I love that wood grain. But as you can clearly see, as I do this wrap around, again, it's a phenomenal room, a phenomenal hotel. They did an amazing job. I'm truly just loving all of the attention to detail that they took the time in putting this room together. So let me know in the comment section below. But the Hilton Garden Inn, is this a hotel that you would stay in when you're out here in Nashville? Let me know that in the comment section below. But other than that, listen, I hope you subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with more hotel room tours and things of that nature. And other than that, I hope you take care, take charge, and have an amazing day on purpose. Why? Because you deserve it.